friends, welcome to our channel. I am Naz, and in this video I am going to explain about business accounting. Topics to be covered: introduction of accounting, importance of accounting, standard accounting functions, and types of accounting. So what is business accounting? Accounting is the process of recording, monitoring, and analysis of business transactions. In accounting process, the financial transactions are collected, summarized, classified, and reported to decision makers, oversight agencies, regulators, and tax collection entities. Or in other words, accounting is the process of identifying and measuring quantitative financial activities and to communicate these financial reports to the decision makers. The main goal of accounting is to accurately record and report an organization's financial performance to stakeholders, shareholders, investors, and lenders. Importance of accounting. Accounting keeps a record of business transactions. Accounting is important as it keeps a systematic record of the organization's financial information. Up-to-date records help users compare current financial information to historical data with full, consistent, and accurate records. It enables users to assess the performance of a company over a period of time. Accounting facilitates decision making for management. Accounting is especially important for internal users of the organization. Internal users may include the people that plan, organize, and run companies. The management team needs accounting in making important decisions. Accounting communicates results. Accounting helps to communicate company results to various users, investors, lenders, and creditors. Investors may be deciding to buy shares in the company, while lenders need to analyze their risk in deciding to lend. It is important for companies to establish credibility with these external users through relevant and reliable accounting information. Accounting meets legal requirements. Proper accounting helps organizations ensure accurate reporting of financial assets and liabilities. Tax authorities use standardized accounting financial statements to assess a company's declared gross revenue and net income. The system of accounting helps to ensure that a company's financial statements are legally and accurately reported. Standard accounting features or functions. Number 1. Wider applicability. Number 2. Easy transactional recording. Number 3. Hierarchical account and ledger classification. Number 4. Useful analysis and reporting. Number 5. Highly objective. Summarized accounting MIS. Number 7. Valid for auditing and compliance filing. Number 8. Simple interpretation. And number 9. Better repeatability. Types of accounting. Accounting can be classified into two categories: financial accounting and managerial accounting. Financial accounting involves the preparation of accurate financial statements. The focus of financial accounting is to measure the performance of a business as accurately as possible. Managerial accounting is a process that allows an enterprise to achieve maximum efficiency by reviewing financial accounting, deciding on the best following steps to take, and then broadcasting the required steps to all internal business managers. The reports serve to assist the management team to make tactical decisions. Here I will be focusing more on financial accounting. Join us on next one to get deeper explanation of financial accounting, starting with accounting equation. Your feedback will be highly appreciated and will help us to improve the content. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for latest updates.